Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to show you how to make aluminum battery. 6 copper plates as positive plates and 6 aluminum plates as negative plates. You need to attach a piece of copper wire to the corner of negative plates. I'll show you how. Cut here with metal cutter. After soldering copper wire, connect 5 positive plates to 5 negative plates. Cover the connections with iron glue. This aluminum used for windows or doors. Connect a piece of copper wire to aluminum with a welding machine. Try different type of copper wire. This is a speaker wire. Take your hands off as soon as the copper wire touches the aluminum. It takes some practice. Check the connection. You need some salt water. Make 6 pieces of cotton like this. Make wet each pieces of cotton with 10 ml of salt water. Cover here with adhesive tape. It's better to use sodium hypochlorite 5% as electrolyte. You can find it in any market. Mix 30 ml of sodium hypochlorite with granular activated carbon. In this case, each piece of activated carbon is 7 ohms. Put the wet cotton on top of the negative plate and put some activated carbon on it. Put the positive plate on the activated carbon. Cover both plates with tape. The positive plate should not touch the activated carbon, and activated carbon should not touch the negative plate. First type is finished, you can put it in the box. The second type is same as first type. Just replace the sodium hypochlorite with some 70% calcium hypochlorite and 30 ml of water. And zip up each plate with 2 cable ties. Do not zip it tightly. This is air vent of battery. I cut it from a small lead acid battery. Put some cotton in the bottom of the box. In both types, cover here with iron glue and after 2 days cover it again with glue. Connect a 1-watt LED to the first type battery. After 2 days disconnect the LED and connect a digital clock. This battery can run a digital clock for a long time. For analog clock, after 2 days do not disconnect the 1-watt LED and connect a analog clock. The second type battery can run a small motor. Or light up a torch for a couple hours. You can charge the second type battery with a 12-volt charger. When the battery puff up a bit, disconnect the charger and open the air vent for a few seconds. Thanks for watching.